Hi, Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Show Daddy how you shake your foot.
The Chinese are agonizing very
Shake
hard
it.
about this dollar
Good
question
job.
because they have so much to lose. I mean, they know that if something goes wrong with the US dollar,
Shake it
at some
again.
point in time, if you cannot raise loans to pay for your deficits, and you start printing money to pay for your deficits,
Go like
and
this.
the dollar goes down,
Shake.
suffer, right? They got a huge amount invested in the US dollar. So they would like
Good
to see a
job,
managed
Betty.
transition towards a world where they're not so reliant on the US dollar. But at the same time, they do not want to undermine the United States.
Shake it again.
They want to work with
Go
the
like
United
this.
States to create a more balanced kind of financial regime.
Yay! This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee all the way home. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Wave to Daddy. Tickle you. Good enough. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Say I love you. Come home soon. Come home soon, Theo. Scooch. Come home soon, Daddy. We miss you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.